Once you're ready to go live and start collecting payments, you'll need to set up your payment gateway. Don't worry, this is fast and easy. The first time that you click Publish, you'll be taken to this screen to confirm your sign-up details. You want to make sure that these details match what you want listed on your payment gateway's account. We automatically plug in the details you used at sign-up. Once you've confirmed that all is correct, all you'll need to do is click Create. Clicking Create will pop open this window that it's going to ask you to confirm that you're using WebConnect's Payments or WePay to accept payments online. Here's where you're going to confirm your sign up. All you need to do is create a password, agree to their terms of service, and click Grant Access. Perfect. Now that you're done, you've successfully published. Now, if you're ready to verify your identity and add your banking information, all you have to do is click the red Verify button to get started. You have 14 days to complete this process if you'd like to just hop ahead and view your published page. Clicking Verify will take you here, where you can complete your 3-step process to verify your account. You have the options of verifying as a business, an organization, or an individual. All you need to do is select which one applies to you and follow the steps. The second step in the process will confirm your personal information. The third step in the process will confirm your banking information. Once you've completed it, your account is all verified and you'll be set up to receive deposits. Now, if at any point in the process you need to stop, collect that information, and come back, all that you need to do is hover over this gear icon, select Payment Gateways, and click the red button to finish verification. You'll know that you've successfully completed the process when the red button disappears.